Hey everyone! If you're looking for a way to make money online using AI, this video is for you. I'm going to show you 5 legit free AI tools that people are using right now in 2025 to earn real income from home. No scams, no fake hype, just tools that work. Let's jump right in. Tool number 1, Canva, the OG of design tools. But in 2025, it now includes AI-powered design features, even on the free plan. Use it to create logos, business cards, Instagram posts, or YouTube thumbnails. If you're not a designer, no worries. Canva's AI does most of the work for you. For a quick idea, offer Instagram post packs or custom thumbnails for YouTubers. People pay good money for that. Try charging $5 to maybe $50 per design pack, depending on how good you are at doing it. And it takes around 10 minutes or more, depending on how much detailing you're doing. Tool number 2, if you can learn how to edit, you can basically offer video editing services to content creators. If you are afraid of spending a lot of money on editing software, just get CapCut. You can basically edit on your phone or on your PC. This is not a sponsored video, but I find CapCut a great editing software. And the other thing is that you don't have to record the video yourself. That is a great thing if you're really shy. You just have to edit the clips given to you by your client. From what ChatGPT has told me, we can charge $10 to maybe $30 per short. If you get that daily, in a week you get some serious earnings. Tool number 3. You can do YouTube with AI. It has to be one of the best ways to make money on YouTube. Most of the work is done by AI itself. If you use ChatGPT to create ideas in a script, and if you use CapCut to edit, and again ask ChatGPT to create title and thumbnail ideas, you have a great video. Sure, it takes a while, but depending on the niche, you can get a great amount of money with YouTube. All right, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, and I will be uploading more AI-related videos which are beneficial for you, so please subscribe.